Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to stop mice coming into your house. What you need to do is go outside your house and check for any holes, open holes or entry points that the mice can get in. We had this vent open for the longest time and were wondering how they were getting in. So you need to get some steel metal scourers like we have and block the holes as best as possible. We've got a hole in the wall here from some plumbing that we had done recently, and we're going to use some filler to fill this in. Then we want to go around the whole house and look for any holes in the walls or the floor. And we've got this hole in the wall in our living room. It was created by our TV company who did some work recently. So you want to fill the holes or some metal wall and fill it as best as possible. You also want to go around your house and check for any gaps in the flooring. Apparently mice can get through really small tiny gaps, so you want to fill every single gap and hole that you can find. And then we want to go under our sink in the kitchen and check for any holes near the piping. And we have this massive hole which we're going to fill. We're also going to fill this massive gap that we have underneath one of our cupboards in the kitchen with lots of metal scourers and wool. Since we've done this and filled all the holes inside and outside our house in the walls and the floorboards, we haven't seen even one mouse in the house.